Fáilte go Daróg, Idéal is anam dom.
Joel is anam dom.
And we are the owners here at Daróg Wine Bar in Galway's West End. We are delighted to take part in the Gradam this year to increase the use of Irish here in Daróg. With the help of Gradam na Gaeilge, we have implemented Irish in various parts here in the wine bar, in our signage and our menus, and using it for titles of our events. For example, we have Le Céile. Le Céile is an artist talk. We have a gallery wall here in Daróg, which is a wall where local artists display their artwork. The idea behind the event is that we all come together, and Le Céile in Irish is together. The inspiration behind the name Daróg came from Monken McGann's book. Daróg means little oak tree. I'm from Kildare, which is Kildara, the Church of the Oak Tree, and also it's a hat tip to the oak where the wine itself is fermented. We also use Irish in our emails, in our email signature. On social media, we've started integrating bits of Irish into the title of our posts. We're very proud to have our business in Galway, a bilingual city, and to have Irish integrated into our business.